Hello, Steve Mills here. Today I want to talk to you about something that I'm really excited about. It's something that I'm just about to launch. It's not quite finished yet, but I wanted to show you it because two reasons. One, I want people to start signing up for it and joining. And two, I just think, it probably will never get finished. And what I mean by that is there will always be updates. Let me explain what it's about. It's called Mastery School. Mastery School. The idea behind it is that one of the biggest problems that I see businesses have right now, in fact, the biggest problem I see that they have right now is lack of sales. Specifically, they're not creating enough leads and they're not converting a high enough percentage of those leads into sales. They're the two biggest problems, I believe, that create 80% of the problems that businesses have. And when you consider that, I think it's around about 75, 80% of businesses that start this year will have gone bust within 5 years. And probably most of those will be due to lack of sales. It's as simple as that. Now, I know accountants will say, well, it's poor cash flow, but, why is that? It's due to lack of sales. And, if you could sell enough, you can overcome any cash flow problems that you may have. So how do you get more sales? Well, you've got to become better. If you want a better business, you've got to become better. Not only you, but you and your team. So results is what you want. Mastery is the level that you need to achieve in order, you're not going to get great results being ordinary, being average, being at a level that everybody else is at, because they don't get very good results. So you need to be better than that. And this is a training program to allow you to do just that. Now, what I'd like to do is just show you, if I may, show you what I've got so far. And if you would like to take a look further, what I'm willing to do right now is to give it you for a month for free. Okay? You can sign up for it. Now, I want to be clear. This is not one of those things where you have to give your credit card. And if you don't cancel it by the end of the month, then I'm going to bill you for the rest of your life. It's not that. It's for free. You don't have to give me a credit card, don't have to do anything other than to promise me that if I give it you, you'll at least take a look at it and go and use it. Because what I don't want to do is mess around, signing you up and everything, and then you not look at it. And then when I do call you, I will call you in a month's time and say, what did you think? Would you like to carry on? And if you say, yeah, then I'll take your credit card. If you say no, then I won't take your credit card and I'll close your account and off you go. But I want to be clear on a couple of things as well. And that is that when you become a member, it's your company that becomes a member. So if you've got, I don't know, an admin person, a marketing person that also needs help, then, that's perfect for them. In fact, I go as far as to say that this training is all the sales, marketing, and business growth training that you will ever need. But it's more than that. Let me just show you more. Okay, so this is it, and this is where it starts over here on the left. So this area here is what I call community. You join, you sign up, and you become a member. And when you're a member, you can go in here and start communicating with other members. So you can go and write something really interesting. You can fill in and explain a little bit more about it there. You can go and add an attachment. You can add a link to your website or elsewhere. You can upload a YouTube video explaining all about it. You can create a poll or an emoji, a GIF, and all that sort of stuff. You can allocate it to, is it about marketing, sales, finance, people, customers, strategy, and whatever. And then you can post it here. So you can see, let me just cancel that. You can see the type of thing that I'm doing. I've said here, this is a post I did just a few minutes ago. What's the single most important thing you can do in X to make you more successful? So that's a really good question, I think. So there's loads of stuff here. There's some videos that I'm uploading. Here's a link to this morning's Mastery Live session, which I'll tell you about in a couple of minutes. You know, this is a great place. You can go in here and sell. You can go in here and help. You can go in here and ask other members for feedback. You know, just got a new website. What do all the members think of it? Can anybody suggest anything to improve it in any way? Stuff like that. I don't suggest you go in there every day trying to sell stuff. That probably wouldn't be the best way for you to do it, and not the best feeling for members anyway. So that's that. The next one here, over here, is classroom. Okay. In here, as you can see, there's loads and loads of training. Now you can see the things like the yellow bits here. I've not yet put the banners in. It's that raw. It's that unfinished. It's not done yet. You know, there's a couple of these. I'm trying to think of one. Look, there's a typo there even. That's an amazing shock for me. But I can go in here, and I don't think I've done anything under referral marketing at the moment. No, I haven't. Yeah, there we go. So there's an example there, and you know, but you know, it's coming along. If I show you another one, a better one, if we're going to LinkedIn Mastery, you'll see that not all, but most of it is done. Draft is getting recommended on LinkedIn. But all this stuff here, you know, setting up an outstanding profile, setting up a business profile, designing your banner on LinkedIn, how to add video. I don't think, oh, that is done. I didn't think that was done. How to add your website to your LinkedIn profile, that's there, and so on. You know, how to grow your contact list. Okay, so I've written that, but not actually added the video yet. So, you know, it's work in progress, but what I'm looking for is beta testers, people to try it out, to see what they think and see if it's something that would be of value to them. So rest assured, I'm working on this every day, getting it better and better. And hopefully by the end of June, it'll be not quite finished. In fact, as I said, I don't think it'll be ever finished fully. But it'll be pretty good by then. So here, calendar. Okay, now what we got in here? We got all my events. Every day I run something called Mastery Live. You can see those every day. Did one today, doing one tomorrow. Mastery Live is 12:30 to 12:45. It's a quick lunchtime bite, if you will. Today I spoke about what I call the most important thing to be successful, which was thinking time, spending time thinking. Tomorrow it's about social media, and so on and so forth. So various things, various days, but all good stuff. And in addition to that, there's what I call my Friday finish, which we get together on Friday. You can ask me questions. We can go through what we've done this week, and so on and so forth. And then for those who are members of Results Mastery, there's the 8 a.m. event. So they're the Mastery, Results Mastery mastermind group sessions. They're not for everybody unless you're paying to be a member of the Results Mastery program. They're not for you. So that's that. Then, as I've said, there's a list of members, and we've even got this thing here called a leaderboard, which I've got to say, this is part of the system that I have bought into, called Skool. You can see up here, skool.com, which I would recommend to you, by the way. And the idea being that people go on the leaderboard, and the idea is that we work up. The more we communicate, the more we take part in it, the higher level we get. And when you get to the next level, there'll be a gift. So I want try to encourage people to get involved. So there'll be various gifts at various levels throughout the program. So that's it. That's pretty much what I wanted to show you. In case you're thinking, oh, well, this sounds really good, but I wonder how much it costs. I've tried to price this just to be an absolute no-brainer, which I believe it is. As I said, it's free for 30 days. Go in and take a look. At the end of 30 days, I'm going to get on the phone. I'm going to call you. I'm going to say, what did you think? Do you want to continue? If you say yes, it's £25 a month plus VAT. 25 quid. I mean, what's that? That's a couple of bottles of wine. I mean, it really is an absolute no-brainer. And you'll get all that training, you know, and that will extend, you know, I mean, I think we've got 13 different training courses in there right now, but in another year, that might be 15, 18, 20, who knows? And you get access to all that sort of stuff. So, you know, go and sign up, honestly. Just email me, steve@steve-mills.com, and say, yeah, I'd like to trial it, and I'll set you up. Thanks ever so much for listening, and hope to see you within school any soon. Very soon, even, not any soon. I'm not redoing that video because I said any soon. Definitely not. Very soon. See you then. Bye.